So this is me, and that's my new kite. It's the WindBlade dual control Stunt Kite. It's part of the X Kites brand, and this kite was purchased at Costco for $17. Back in 2017, I had flown 2 of these kites before, but they weren't stunt kites. This kite, wow, this kite is on another level. You can steer it by pulling on one of the 2 included handles. It's great fun. Look at me, I'm so happy. I'm even running. That's a fairly rare occurrence these days. Anyway, the theme of this video is kites versus drones. I like drones, but I've had incredibly bad luck with such small electronic flying things. I've gotten them stuck in trees, and one of them hit the dirt pretty hard. That was a quick way to say goodbye to hundreds of dollars. That's the first advantage of kites. They're usually pretty cheap. Look at how hard it hit the ground. Oof! And look at how quickly the kite gets back up and in the air. That's amazing. Obviously, you don't want to drag your kite across the sand or the ground. This was my first outing with this kite, and there was a bit of a learning curve. It was also quite windy. There were many crashes. The kind of crashes that would destroy a drone. I asked Siri what was the wind speed, and she said 17 miles per hour. That's 27 kilometers, which is really close to the recommended limit. That's a range of 7 to 18 miles per hour. But as long as the wind is blowing at a nice speed, there's no need for batteries. It's nice flying without a low battery warning. That's the second advantage of kites. I didn't need to charge the battery or worry about battery degradation. Photics TV is a tech channel, but that doesn't exclude low tech. There's a certain charm about kites. This is the third advantage of kites. People would stop and watch the kite. It was very colorful and very pretty. Drones can be kinda creepy. With a kite, you can easily see who's flying it. Plus, kites make a cute fluttering sound, not an angry mosquito sound. Drones do have a distinct advantage in the realm of photography though. While the stunt kite is surprisingly controllable, I think a drone is more reliable. With the drone, I don't have to worry about strings getting tangled. Plus, I don't feel comfortable attaching a camera to this kite. It is pretty awesome watching the kite hover this low over the ground though. So, there's a good chance that I'll be getting a drone in the future. I think that would be a nice fit for this channel. It's certainly a good video topic. If that sounds interesting to you, then maybe subscribe to Photics TV. That way, you can be alerted of new tech videos. Thanks for watching.